Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm about to give you this look right here. I'm going to show you how to achieve curls using flexi rods in water on synthetic wig. Okay, so you guys can get the look. I got this wig from Amazon. It was for $40. I actually seen this video on another YouTuber's channel. I was like, you know what? I want this look for 2020. And I went ahead and I copped it. So I'm going to put the link to her channel below so you guys can see what the wig looks like straightened, because I didn't show you guys how the wig looks straight. I just, already had the curls in it, showed you how I dipped it, put the rods on it, you get what I'm saying, like New York slang, all the way in, fully active. You know what, let me stop. Okay, we're gonna get into the video, guys. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now. Stop what you're doing, pause the video, whatever it takes to subscribe to my channel, it needs to be done right now. Like, share, comment. The backstory on this wig before we get into this video. So last year for my birthday, I had red hair with the red brows. I was like, for 2020 I want to do the same exact thing. I want to bring in my new year with red. So I went on YouTube. I found this video of another girl. She had red hair. She's also a YouTuber. I believe she's a beauty blogger. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to post all her information in the description box. So I basically want to give her a shout out because she is the one who inspired me to get this wig. When I originally got this wig, I got it from Amazon. It was about $40. This wig was straight, bone straight. But honestly, for me, I just felt like I could not wear the hair out straight because it just got so tangly. It was too much. So I'm like, you know what? I know my sister, she always, with her synthetic wig, she always used flexi rods in hot water. So I hit my sister up and was like, Gwen, can you just tell me how to do it? She told me, get some flexi rods, dip your wig in hot water, and from there, the rest been history. So I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve the curls. I had actually combed the curls out, but this is a synthetic wig, believe it or not. You can tell. Look how rough these ends are, okay? This is definitely synthetic. Okay, like I said before, I got the wig from Amazon. It was $40. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to section off the part of the hair that I want to put the flexi rods in. I don't want it to be like too much. I already started, sectioned off the hair. And I'm just gonna comb it through. And since I already had dipped the hair in hot water and stuff, I've just been kind of lazy with dipping the wig in hot water again. So what I've been doing is I put some water in this little bowl right here. And what I'm going to do is just dip my hand in the water and just put it down the hair. Especially when I get the ends wet with that water, because this is where it's all, frizzy at. So that's that. Take the first flexi rod. Let me do a thumbnail real quick. So anyway, and make sure the hair is straight. And I put the hair around the flexi rod, and just come up with it. Come up. Just keep on coming. And boom, this is the first flexi rod for this side. So I'm just going to just keep doing this until it's done. And I did this side off camera so I could just show you guys how the curls is gonna come out once I'm done putting the flexi rods in on this side. Said I'm just dipping my hand in the water right now. Get the hair wet. Not like OD wet, but like damp, really, I should say. So yeah, this is the look for 2020. This is how I have my hair on New Year's. I'm gonna insert some pictures while I'm doing this so you guys can see what a bad bitch looks like. Okay. 2 more left. See how the hair is all like, ugh. But when these curls come out, I'm gonna be like, what synthetic? Like what? And also, I'm going to go over the pros and cons of this wig as well, so you guys can know the real tea. Like, I'm not just gonna leave y'all hanging. Okay. What I feel is the pros and cons.
Get off my bed now.
Down to the last one. Yes, Lord. Then you get the chit-chatting about the pros and the cons of the wig. Okay. So that's that on this side. Now we're going to take this side out and I'm going to show you what it's really hitting for. So let me back up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and take the first one out. And that's the curl it's hitting for. What is it hitting for? Okay. This is nice. Ooh, y'all see what's going on? Try not to miss. Okay, here we go. Boom. See? That's what it's giving. People were so surprised when I told them this was a synthetic wig and that I curled it using Flexi rods. Like I said before, when you first curl his hair, I recommend you dipping it in hot water first, because I feel like I'm able to get away with this, like just adding water, putting the Flexi rods real quick, because the hair was already dipped in hot water, so it kind of like formed that curl pattern even when I combed it out. So yeah, it's definitely a look though. Like I said before, if you want to see what this wig looked like straight, I'm going to link the YouTube channel below, where I actually was inspired to get this wig from Amazon. So I probably could go ahead and take these out. Like, I don't need to wait that long. Okay, so what I do I wanted to give like a little layered look. First off, I just do it this way, and then I put this to the back like this, and I go like that. So we can see how I got that. Bop, bop, bop. The cons first, then I'm gonna go into the pros. A con about this wig, the lace don't go that far bright. Another thing I really don't like about the wig is that the cap that this wig is made on is literally white. Like, you guys can see that. So if you part the hair, you can see, you see what's going on back there. It's crazy. I don't like that. I hate it. So I gotta brush and finesse and make it like, you know, or whatever. Another thing I don't like, that I said when it was first straight, the hair came straight, I didn't like the fact that it was just so tangly automatically. Like, I knew for sure I would not be able to wear the hair out. Another thing, this wig sheds like crazy. The wig is on the thin side. Let's talk about the pros. The pros, I would say that I like the fact that I can curl the wig with the Flexi rods, dip it in the hot water. I had to pluck it to get a little bit. I mean, it's something. I mean, it ain't the best baby hairs, but it's given. It's given, okay? That's the only good thing I got to say. I mean, for the price, $40, a synthetic wig for this color that I was going for, I was sold. So, I mean, it is what it is. You know, buy at your own risk. Remember, I told you. Remember, I told you. So if you decide to get this wig, I put you on and I told y'all what it was hitting for. Like I said before, I would put the video below of the wig being straight and stuff like that from the YouTuber that I had originally seen it on. Sorry, just want to fix it. So yeah, see the curl? This is what it's hitting for with the Flexi rods. Yep. And if anybody's wondering about my brows, I use red matte lipstick to achieve this look. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give this a try. If you have any synthetic wig that you just want to throw some curls in, give it a try. I'm pretty sure that it will work. This is how you get the look, guys. This is what it's hitting for. Y'all wanted to know, I gave it to y'all. This is what it is, okay? So this is what it's hitting for. Curls on curls on curls on curls on curls.